Every once in a while, we come across new technology that simply blows our mind. This year's been quite exciting in terms of introducing us to some cool new tech, and that's exactly what we're gonna cover in today's video. Everyone wants to know what it's like to fly. At the BMW electrified wingsuits brings that dream to life. This concept product allows you to soar through the sky at 188 mph without any restrictions, while offering a compact and light design. To make this possible, the electric wingsuits boast BMW technology and uses a chest-mounted rig for power. It offers 15 kW of grunt between two carbon impellers. These impellers spin at a speed of 25,000 rpm and produce thrusts for up to 5 minutes, so your journey just keeps on getting better. The Virtuix Omni One VR treadmill lets you move up, down, side to side, and in all 316 degrees. What is more, it can even detect if you're crushed or kneel, as you are probably known to do during your games. Furthermore, it has a diameter for only 4 feet, so it won't take up much space in your home. The Open Bionics X Konami Venom Hero Bionic Arm provides mobilities for below elbow amputees and can change people's lives. It works for adults and children who have upper limb amputations, and even 8 years olds can wear it. LG is leading the television market into the future. Let's talk about their first one, the new 55-inch OLED transparent TV. As the name implies, the LG display is transparent, allowing you to see through it even when it's turned on and displaying an image. Designed to be comfortably situated at the end of your bed, the LG TV can fully or partially hide by descending into its hub, all with just the push of a button. Compared to other previous iterations of transparent TVs that might be 10% transparent, this LG TV is 40% transparent. Aside from the home, LG imagined using this transparent screen technology in stores, shopping malls, autonomous vehicles, subway trains, and aircraft. An homage to the past and a nod to the future. The Nike Air Jordan XI adapts Jumpman shoes, use power lacing technology, boasting a self-lacing design. These Air Jordans are still similar to the original shoe shape from 25 years ago. They may look like retro athletic shoes, but the Nike Air Jordan XI adapts kicks are pretty futuristic. Razer's Project Brooklyn is the ultimate gaming command center. The concept could feature a 180 degrees transparent OLED screen, left and right pull-out tray that can be set at different heights, and haptic vibration via Razer HyperSense models on the carbon fiber and the leather bucket seats. Imagine playing Cyberpunk 2077 on this setup. What is more futuristic? The Revo hubless e-bike has a triple barrier anti-theft system that includes biometric access, integrated electric locks, theft detection and alerts, and GPS tracking. Furthermore, all your necessary bike riding peripherals come integrated into the Revo. There are brake lights, headlamps, turn signals, locks, and a phone cradle that's all charged at the same time as your bike. And the detachable battery lets you swap it out for an instant boost. The Sony Spatial Reality Display is a truly innovative gadget, providing a lifelike three-dimensional viewing experience. This 3D display has integrated eye sensing technology. Using this, it detects where your eyes are to adjust the 3D image to each one. In fact, with its high-speed vision sensor, it tracks your eye movements within a millisecond and can sense your pupil position on the vertical, horizontal, and depth axis.